Owens Corning's R-25 EcoTouch Pink Fiberglass insulation comes in two different facing options, including unfaced and craft-faced. The main applications are metal-framed exterior walls and floors. R-25 recovers to 8 inches in thickness. R-25 bats are available in 16 and 24-inch width with a length of 96 inches. While R-25 is not called out specifically in energy codes, it may be included in some local or jurisdictional areas for walls and floors, and can be used to provide higher than code required thermal values. Consult your state and local building codes for your specific needs. Let's take a look at R-25 insulation and its intended application. Unfaced R-25 bats for metal framing are a stock product with a 3-day lead time and are available in 16 and 24-inch width with a length of 96 inches. Craft-faced R-25 bats are a made-to-order product. It is available in 16 and 24-inch widths with a length of 96 inches for both attic and floor applications. Craft facing should be used in areas requiring a Class 2 vapor retarder. Here are a few reasons that Owens Corning EcoTouch Pink Fiberglass is rated as the #1 brand builders trust for insulation. It's independently certified by a third party to verify the insulating power, or R value. That's not the case with some other popular insulating materials. Advanced technology and strict quality control means dependable consistency and low dust. Just a few of the reasons Owens Corning Fiberglass is rated #1 for handleability and ease of installation. Homeowners appreciate that it's made with no added fire retardant chemicals. Plus, unfaced products are made with at least 65% recycled content, and all Owens Corning Fiberglass bats and rolls are made with 100% renewable energy. When it comes to proven solutions that help make homes comfortable, quiet, safe, and sustainable, choose Owens Corning EcoTouch Pink Fiberglass insulation.